Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 18th of September. I'm James Spann. A backdoor front on the Alabama-Georgia border this afternoon. That'll knock highs down about 10 to 12 degrees tomorrow. Rain, when will it come back? What about the tropics? So much to talk about today, so let's dive in. There's the upper look, the ridge, still holding across the southern states. Troughs in the northeast and northwest. Visible satellite view. Got a few cumulus clouds around today. Thicker clouds over parts of Georgia and the Carolinas back with that wedge front. And the remnants of Tropical Storm Imelda over far eastern Texas. That was the radar at 2:37. And you can see a few scattered showers over east and southeast Alabama, not many. We'll maintain the chance of isolated showers this evening, mainly on the eastern side of the state, but many places will stay dry, despite the fact that that front is coming in from the east, a backdoor-type front. You can see the difference. Carrollton and Rome, Georgia in the 80s. 88 for Carrollton, 89 for Rome. You cross on the west side of that front, Anniston and Birmingham, 96. Tuscaloosa, 98. But everybody should see highs back in the 80s tomorrow. Not exactly sweater weather, but we're moving in the right direction. There's the national view, and again, you can see that wedge coming down from the northeast. Temperatures only in the 70s over parts of the Carolinas and Virginia. Also nice and cool air for the northeast and the northwest. On the watch warning map, we have flash flood watches for parts of southeastern Texas, southwest Louisiana for the remnants of Tropical Storm Imelda. Marginal risk of severe storms through tonight way up north, parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin. No severe weather expected here, and again, most places stay dry. This is tomorrow, and this is day 3, which is Thursday. A risk of severe storms up near the Canadian border, parts of the Dakotas, with a surface front coming in. Yeah, we need rain, and we're not going to get it in terms of meaningful rain. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and basically nothing. And there might be a few isolated showers this evening and maybe early next week, but again, prospects not looking good. Tropics are really active. We've got several waves and tropical storms out in the Atlantic. That's the broad view. Up at the top of the screen, that is Humberto. That's near Bermuda. We've got a tropical wave in the eastern Caribbean and Tropical Storm Jerry. That is east of the Lesser Antilles. Let's start with Humberto. That will be moving out into the North Atlantic, becoming post-tropical this weekend. Jerry, currently with winds of 50 miles per hour, should become a hurricane by tomorrow night, passing north of the Leeward Islands, east of the Bahamas, as it begins to recurve, and the hurricane center shows it weakening to a tropical storm by Monday morning of next week. And almost all the members, not all of them, but almost all the members of the European recurve this out into the Atlantic. I wouldn't say it's a total lock yet, but it sure looks like odds are high this will not affect the United States. So this is the big picture. And in addition to Jerry and Humberto, we have the tropical wave out there. That is in the Caribbean, and the Hurricane Center for now just giving that a low chance of developing, and another wave in the middle of the Atlantic, again the chance low, but anytime in September you have to watch those. Let's go to the GFS. This is a 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Big trough in the west, ridging in the east, and again for us, a pretty decent day. Partly to mostly sunny with highs only in the mid-80s in most spots. That's a good 10 to 12 degrees lower than recent days, and that's about average for this time of the year. Friday, we could see some 50s for the cooler pockets. Come on now, that'll feel good. The sky will be sunny, the high in the mid to upper 80s. No change for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Lots of sunshine. Highs for the weekend, 87 to 90 in most spots. A front to the north. Let's go to next week. This is Monday. We're still dry. Tuesday, still dry. Main rain north of here. And a week from today, Wednesday the 25th, the trough over Texas. But the rain with that feature stays west of here. So on this run, not much hope for anything meaningful in terms of rain for at least the next 7 days. Let's keep going. This is out 10 days. Saturday the 28th, almost the end of the month. Upper ridging over Florida. And that still looks dry. I wish I had something to show you here, but drought conditions will only intensify across the state. GFS ensemble output when it comes to rain for Birmingham, the mean about 1/2 inch over the next 15 days. We hope we'll get some as October begins, but keep in mind October is typically the driest month of the year. And as we've been talking about for days, when you look at these numbers off the GFS ensemble, at about 5 degrees because of the lack of soil moisture, which means we'll probably see some low 90s next week. I don't think we're done with the 90s yet. And no sign of any big trough that'll bring down really cool air like 60s and 40s. And this runs into the first part of October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.